The shocking truth about your gut health and what it means for your future. Picture waking up tomorrow feeling tired, bloated, and mentally muddled. You might say, "I'm just getting older," or "I'm just stressed." But what if I told you that the real problem is deep inside you? Your stomach is something you can't see, yet it has a big impact on your energy, emotions, and overall health. In fact, research from Harvard Medical School suggests that 70 to 80% of your immune system is in your gut. This means that when your gut is unwell, it can cause problems all over your body. It's not only about digestion. You might not know this, but an unhealthy gut can cause chronic inflammation, which has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even Alzheimer's disease. Your gut could be a big reason why you don't feel as sharp or active as you used to. When your stomach is out of equilibrium, chronic inflammation can happen slowly and without you ever knowing it. You might start to notice symptoms like tiredness, hip ache, and stomach pain before you know it. These are all classic symptoms that your gut health might not be good. But the scary aspect is that a lot of us don't know how much our gut affects our health. If you don't pay attention to this, it could hurt your health and lower your quality of life without you even knowing it. You might be slowing down your aging process without even knowing it, which might keep you from feeling full of life and energy long into your 70s, 80s, or even 90s. Think about how great it would be to have the same energy and vigor you had decades ago. What if I told you that fixing and cleaning your stomach may give you back that youthful vitality and help you get your independence back? The good news is here. You may start taking care of your gut health today without making big changes or spending a lot of money on treatments. The easy, natural things I'm about to tell you to do will help your gut heal, make your digestion better, and give you the energy you've been missing. In fact, I'll teach you how to start feeling better in only a few days by taking a few easy, doable measures. Let's get started. Before we go on, please subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with health recommendations that are backed by experts and are great for seniors who want to feel their best and boost their energy. You'll get more useful science-based advice that is specific to you. You can start living a longer, healthier life today by subscribing. You'll get all the tools and information you need. What's really going on in your gut? What you need to know about science. Have you ever thought about what's really going on in your stomach? There are trillions of microorganisms in your gut, both good and nasty. Together, they make up your microbiome. These bacteria are incredibly important for many things, including as breaking down food, making vitamins, and keeping your body safe from harmful invaders. But as we become older, our microbiome can get out of balance, with more bad bacteria than good. The American Heart Association did a study in 2023 that indicated that older people with a poor gut flora were 37% more likely to get long-term illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Why? When your gut is out of whack, it causes inflammation that affects all of your organs, even your heart and brain. There are several things that can trigger this imbalance, including a bad diet, stress, medications, and even contaminants in the environment. Think of it as a garden full of weeds. You might realize that your digestion isn't working as well as it used to, and that you're not getting the nutrients you need. But don't worry, getting your gut back to a healthy balance doesn't need making big adjustments. It's about adding the right foods and practices that help your gut heal itself. Imagine that a simple 5-minute routine may make your digestion and immune system better today. Stay tuned, and I'll tell you how to start your gut detox adventure. How your diet is hurting your gut and what you can do about it. The food you eat has a direct impact on your gut health. Have you ever thought about why some foods make you feel tired, full, or intellectually foggy?
Those sugary, processed foods and snacks may taste good right now, but over time, they might let nasty bacteria and yeast proliferate in your stomach. A bad diet can actually mess up your gut, making it inflamed and even creating leaky gut syndrome, which is when toxins and undigested food particles go into the bloodstream. A paper from the Mayo Clinic says that the normal senior diet has too much sugar, refined carbs, and harmful fats, which makes the stomach unbalanced and gets worse with age. But here's the good news. With just a few simple changes to your diet, you can erase years of damage. You don't have to make big changes. Small, lasting ones are frequently the most effective. Start by putting more healthy grains, fruits, and vegetables on your plate. These foods give your good gut bacteria the nutrients they need to grow and outnumber the bad ones. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath. Every little bit helps. Make sure to eat at least one high-fiber food with each meal. Just think about how much more energy you'll have if you eat foods that are good for your gut. And here's a quick tip. Eat some oats, chia seeds, and berries for breakfast to start your day. It's not just full of fiber, but it's also a tasty way to start repairing your stomach from the inside out. What if you could feel more alert in just a week? The benefits of probiotics and prebiotics for older people. Let's talk about two important things for your gut health: probiotics and prebiotics. You may have heard of probiotics, but did you realize that prebiotics are just as important? Prebiotics are the nourishment that probiotics need to grow and stay healthy. Probiotics are the helpful bacteria that help keep your gut in balance. Both are important for gut repair, and they work together. But here's the thing, most seniors don't get enough of either. A 2022 study from Harvard Medical School found that seniors who consistently took probiotics and prebiotics had a 45% improvement in gut health indices, such as digestion and immune function. Think about how much better you would feel if you made these a part of your daily life. You can get probiotics through foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables like kimchi and sauerkraut. You can also find prebiotics in foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas. They are just as important. You could say that they are the food for your healthy bacteria. If you've ever had problems with your stomach, including pain, bloating, or not going to the bathroom often, adding a meal high in probiotics and prebiotics every day might be the answer you've been looking for. What would it be like to have more energy and better digestion just by changing your diet a little bit? You can feel the change right away.
Easy ways to cleanse and heal your gut. It's time to talk about the easy things you can do every day to speed up the healing of your gut now that you know the basics of nutrition and probiotics. It's not just what you eat, it's how you live your life. And stress management is surprisingly important for gut health. Researchers have found that long-term stress can mess up the connection between the gut and the brain. This might explain why you occasionally get butterflies or pain in your stomach when you're stressed. The American Journal of Gastroenterology published a study in 2021 that indicated that seniors who did yoga or deep breathing techniques on a daily basis had 28% fewer digestive problems, such as bloating and indigestion. So imagine this. Spending 10 minutes a day relaxing could make a big difference in how healthy your stomach is. Getting a good night's sleep is just as important. Studies reveal that not getting enough sleep can throw off the balance of the bacteria in your gut, which can make it harder for you to digest food and lower your immunity. Get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep every night so your gut can repair while you sleep. Lastly, moving around regularly is important for a healthy gut. You don't have to run marathons to increase gastrointestinal motility and lower inflammation. Just walking, stretching, or doing modest exercise every day will assist. What if moving about for just 20 minutes a day could make your gut feel better and also boost your mood and energy? You should now know how important your stomach is to your entire health and well-being. The good news is that you can always start repairing your gut.
you can start to fix years of damage and feel better and more energized in no time by adding foods high in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics, or by making little modifications to your daily routine. As you get older, your gut health is the most important thing for your energy, health, and independence. If you take small, steady steps today, they could pay off for years to come. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell others who might find it useful. And if you want even more health suggestions for seniors that you can use right away, be sure to watch our other videos. Today is the day you start on your way to greater gut health. Take the first step now and start fixing years of harm. Want to feel great after 60? For more health recommendations from experts that are made just for you, check out our other videos. Stay healthy, stay strong, and sign up for more.